Can you crank it up at all? Oh yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so that's actually your best color balance right there. Yeah.
So I can just schedule all of my Zoom events for 1 o'clock on a sunny day and leave everything.
Yeah. Well, this is the hard thing with video in general, right? Is there's going to be some adjustments at the moment of. So like this setup looks very different, my own, when it's a super sunny day versus a cloudy day versus the middle of the night, and I have to adjust my lighting every time. But the general principles are always the same, right? Like if you don't have any other light in the room, put that thing front and center and let that ring light like kind of, you know, fill your face. And right now you're probably still a little hot from the sun. So if you shifted it off to your left a little bit, like just outside of the space of the camera, then I think you're going to be in you're going to be in as good a shape as you can currently.
And by hot, you mean?
Hot, yeah, sorry. Yes, hot is too bright. So if it starts to get, yeah, I'll do it on mine here. So if you start to see a real difference, right? I'm real dark over here and much lighter here. That's hot. And when it gets too hot, and some of it, you don't even have any control over it when you're using a webcam. It's just typically whatever the webcam wants to do for you. But like, yeah, it gets hot here. And then as I bring that ring light up to kind of even it out, so everything's a similar kind of exposure, I guess, then it ends up like looking a little better, a little more even. So yeah, I think this is like my best look on my webcam.